how to watch YouTube and use other apps. I mean how to use other applications on your phone while you are watching YouTube. It's pretty simple, just keep watching the video till the end. Open your YouTube and now close this. Now go to your phone settings, scroll down a little bit, keep scrolling down, and now click on apps. Now at the top right corner, click on this three-dot icon. Now click on the middle option, I mean special access. Scroll down a little bit. Now click on picture in picture. Now from this application list, find the YouTube application. This one. You have to allow this picture in picture mode for YouTube application to like this. Okay? By default, this option will be turned off on your phone, but you have to turn it on manually like this. Okay? Now go back. Now click on this three-line icon, I mean on tabs button. Now close the settings menu. Now don't close this YouTube menu. Rather just click and hold for a few seconds on this menu like this. Now see, YouTube is running here. You can watch YouTube at the top part of the screen while you are using other applications on your phone at the bottom part. Okay? But if you want, you can increase the YouTube section. Just click and drag it a little bit down like this. Okay? This is how you can use your other applications while you are watching YouTube at the same time. So if you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit the like, and if you want to watch more this kind of helpful videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful content. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye.